I finally took trade after 2 weeks, and yeah, it was a losing trade for me. But yeah, let's have the trade recap. And it was on my funded account. So let me show you guys first of all, like $126 lost. It's okay. Took a trade after 2 weeks and I lost it. Finally, I saw a setup. I did took it, but like, bro, I think this is gonna go and hit our take profit for sure. Like, I'm 100% sure now that it is gonna go and hit our take profit, but it stopped me out. Um, but yeah, let's have the trade recap. I'm not gonna re-enter this trade. But yeah, I took a trade and I lost it. Uh, but yeah, there was only not one of my confluence here. Today that I took this trade, there was no liquidity sweep. But yeah, let's go through our daily bias. Like coming into the day, like I did not have any kind of bias based on the chart. I was bullish for the day, like because of the Trump winning the election, and we have been bullish this whole week. So I was bullish for the day. That was also my main reason, not being bearish. And yeah, and we already had seen like this higher time frame liquidity sweep. If you look at the 4 hour, 1 hour, you can see we came took out these, and we had not seen that much reaction. From there, I was like, okay, I'm gonna be bullish. I went on, marked out like cross on liquidity. We had these low, this hourly low as a sell side liquidity, and we did have this hourly high over here, and some like this hourly high up there. I did not even mark those. Yeah, from there, if we come down, you can see market opens. I don't see any kind of like liquidity sweep to the downside, like nothing. We did took out these on the pre-market. I did not think of that too much because that was just a 50-minute liquidity. And yeah, from there you can see price did come higher and took out this high and filled in majority of this like fair value gap, hourly fair value gap, all of it. And then from there I was like, cool, we are gonna see some kind of bearish movement from to the downside. From there, I do see that, but I don't see any kind of like entry over here. And like to take this short over here. If you go on a 1 minute time frame, you can see like I marked out these. I can just remove that. You can see like there is not a lot of confidence for as anything. Like we just see a sell off to the downside. It did not even take out these lows within here. And then from there, the reason I took this trade was really simple. Let me show you guys. It was because of a 5 minute SMT that got failed. We have higher high, higher low, sorry, lower high, lower low, and then we have lower low, lower high on the 5 minute, and yeah, from there, boom, I see the 5 minute SMT, and I was like, okay, 100% it wants to come to take out these highs since that Nasdaq has not even taken out the all-time high, but if you look at the S&P, it has done that. Like, look at this S&P, bro. It's way above the all-time high. From there, that added into my confidence. I was like, bet. Then I was looking for confidence to go long, and I got it. If you go on a 1 minute time frame, you can see over here, like we see a big buyout. We break 1 minute structure over here, as you guys can see. Boom, 1 minute break of structure, cool. From there we see a big buy off to the upside. From there you can see we came disrespected this, but we respected this fair value gap and filled like touched into this 1 minute order block, or you could say this 1 minute fair value gap also that was there. And then from there it also got filled within this equilibrium. Like you can just see completely just fills into equilibrium. We see buyout from there, and I was like, bet I'm gonna go long. Entered long over here, and yeah, my stop loss was just below these lows over here, and like this below this fair value gap or this low that got formed when I took this trade. And yeah, I From there, I had only one take profit. My take profit was this high. If you go on a 50-minute high, like this 50-minute high that got filled within this sell-off over here. And then from there, like that was like my only take profit, or you can see this 1 minute high over here. That was my one and only take profit. That would have been a 2.2 risk reward ratio almost. My stop loss below there. Something that I think I did wrong today is that, first of all, I shouldn't have taken this trade. But yeah, I'm not mad because I think this was good entry. Uh, First of all, there is no liquidity sweep, and I can explain why I took it. Without that, if you go on a 50-minute, like you can see, we see this big sell off to the downside, and then it comes to like filling this fair value gap. And yeah, from there, I was like, okay, bet we have filled into this fair value gap. And even if you go over here, we did have this 5-minute order block. Boom. Price did come within that, and we did form 5-minute SMT. Like there was a lot of bullish confluences, and we have to keep in mind that S&P is way above the all-time high, and Nasdaq is 100% the lagging index, hasn't done anything. Like it hasn't even taken out these hourly highs over here. And then from there, I was like 100% bet I'm gonna go long. I went long. We were in profit in a bit, and yeah, from there it just came down, stop us out, and now it's pushing in our way. Like I think there is still a 70% chance that it's gonna go and hit our take profit. Not gonna be re-entering because I lost and I only take one trade. But yeah, took a trade after a long time and I lost, and I'm not that mad because I think the setup and the entry was perfect. Maybe something that I could have done better, put my stop loss below this fair value gap over here to be a bit more safe, maybe target these as a take profit, but that wouldn't give me a good risk reward ratio. But yeah, I think the only thing I could have done better is, first of all, and not take trade because this was too late into the market. Like look at this, it was like almost an hour into the market. And then from there, something else that I could have done better. My stop loss below this fair value gap within here, and I think we should have been fine. But yeah, it is what it is. See you guys when I take another trade, hopefully, or we'll have a good trading week next week.